manipulating electronegative atoms in carbon structures to allow for enolate chemistry. So if we take a simple example where the proton is next to this alkene in an allelic position, again we can apply a base, abstract the proton, have the electron density fall towards this carbon-carbon single bond, and push this electron density between the carbon-carbon double bond back onto one carbon. And of course, neither of these resonance structures are complete, right? They are supposed to be one in another, so to speak. They only show the two extremes of the system. The system, of course, is not actually vibrating or resonating between these two states, but rather is a mixture of the two. And so you would have this electron density, that's this negative charge, fall in between these three carbons and be spread out fairly evenly. And as we said, this provides a pKa of about 40 to 44. But when we add a very electronegative atom, one that can hold electron density much better than carbon, again replacing this CH2 group with an oxygen, and applying